A controversial bill in a state Senate committee requiring women have an ultrasound before getting an abortion has many people fired up, and now there's some confusion about who will pay for the procedure should it become law. Reporter Eric Fink spent the day inside the State House.
Don, if Senate Bill 1349 does become law, the legislator who sponsored the bill, Senator Chuck Winder of Boise, maintains patients must pay for the ultrasound. Planned Parenthood argues that's unfair. And now there are several financial questions making its way into this evolving debate. Another layer of debate surrounds the controversial ultrasound bill, currently in a Senate committee inside the State House. If the bill becomes law, a woman would be mandated to get an ultrasound before having an abortion. And that procedure, Planned Parenthood says, would cost around $200. And according to Senator Chuck Winder of Boise, who sponsored the bill, that money will be coming out of the patient's pocket. Those who can't afford to pay for the procedure can get a free ultrasound. But according to Planned Parenthood, that ultrasound, likely coming from a pregnancy crisis center, would not meet the bill's requirements.
They often don't have physicians on staff. They don't often have a lot of licensed healthcare providers on staff. So in effect, yes, I would have to get 2 ultrasounds had I gone to a free location first.
There's nothing that prevents them from giving an abortion free. So they ought to be able to give an ultrasound free. But it's a business. Make no mistake, it's a business. When you have 50 to 55 million abortions occurring in this country between Roe versus Wade and today, this is a huge business.
But Hannah Brass argues the government shouldn't be in the business of coming between a woman and her doctor.
Adding that significant amount of cost to this procedure when the government's just deciding that you need to do this, whether or not you need it medically, is pretty outrageous.
You will have the opportunity to testify at a public hearing on the ultrasound bill tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. at the State House. Hannah Brass said she's hopeful the bill will stall in committee. However, she believes she will continue to be fighting choice legislation here in Idaho for years to come. Live in studio, Eric Fink, today's Channel 6 News.
More than 600 racehorses are expected to make Boise's LeBois Park their home over the